Because of my health problem, I couldn't go up till you guys fixed the elevator. So now I'm using the elevator to go up, which helped a lot. It's very good. It didn't need any foundations or preparations, and it's very simple to erect. And they did it as per the specs, which we wanted the same color to blend with the house and all. We're very satisfied and happy with the quality and the safety issues in the elevator and the speed and the quality of the product. It's very well manufactured, and we chose this color to blend with the house, and actually the quality, it was better than what I expected. I have a big art collection, and the elevator looks artistic. It blends with the whole interior very well, and it fits its place. I was very comfortable in using the elevator to go up and down, and it's very practical. When you're inside the elevator, you have very nice feeling because you're seeing through the glass and you don't feel any claustrophobic inside. And what impressed me about this elevator, that it's a green energy and it doesn't use any electricity to come back down automatically. Also, it was impressive about the safety of the elevator. When it comes down, it automatically adjusts to itself to come down slowly. The elevator, since it's been installed, made life very easy and made my life much better not to climb the steps and go through and use the elevator up and down. I definitely advise people to go for this product because I was very satisfied with all aspects of it.